These carrot chips. It was the banana chips at first, but this is the next best thing. This right here. This right here. Okay. Alright, so now that we got that out the way, I wanted to talk to you guys about having a productive morning routine. It is very essential, in my opinion, setting the tone of the rest of the day. So for me, as you can see, waking up and making sure I put some music on, for me to get my day started, get me in the mood, get me high energy, high vibes. Some people like to listen to podcasts, some people like to listen to like classical, instrumental type of relaxing type of music. Really, because since I'm getting up and I'm typically getting ready to go to the gym first thing, I like to listen to high beat, high vibe, a lot of hip hop, a lot of rap, things that are gonna get me up, get me awake. So that's key number one. Key number two, staying hydrated. So first thing in the morning, make sure you get your water because you just slept for like however many hours and your body is dehydrated, sorta, kinda, whatever. So you wanna make sure you get, you know, your water in. You just get up, you just drink it, and then you feel refreshed and you feel ready to start the day. My third tip, to ditch this, like ditch your phone. Start off with a good 10 minutes and just like see how it makes you feel. We all do this. We all check our phones first thing in the morning. Just like instantaneous, it's like a subconscious thing that you start to scroll through like other things, socials, emails, stuff like that. And you really just don't need that first thing in the morning. Some people like put their phone in the bathroom or, you know, just don't sleep by it. But I just kind of don't check your notifications right away. Give yourself a good 10 minutes while you're, you know, drinking your water. And then after that, you could kind of, you know, get on it. The last tip, my fellow introverts understand me on this one. So do something by yourself. You have the whole day to be around people. Like, you have the whole day. So that morning time, that's your morning. And I need you to do yourself a favor and to just be by yourself for like a cool little sec. It sounds like I'm like antisocial or something, but I'm really not. Just take some time to do something for yourself at the start of the morning. So for me, that means going to the gym. Like, that's my thing that I do. Maybe that means just doing like some yoga or something, or maybe that means reading like a couple pages of the book that you're reading, or doing a few pages of writing in a journal, coloring in a coloring book, taking a walk outside. It's something that we don't do, like take walks. They're kind of cool. Walk your dog, like if you don't want to walk by yourself, or your cat maybe. And it's kind of weird, but you could do it. Walk your dog, walk your guinea pig, whatever. I don't know, just walk something, just get outside and walk, I don't know. The point of it is to just kind of be by yourself for like a good amount of time. Do this something for yourself first thing in the morning. But just the littlest things to kind of recharge yourself and get yourself ready to take on the day. So yeah, those are just a few of the tips, top things that I would say could really improve your productivity in the morning, or I've found that have helped me out. Maybe they'll help you out, maybe you're the total opposite of me and all of that advice doesn't apply to you. Experiment with your own routine, and I know every day is not the same, so you kind of just have to adjust and not get upset when things don't go your way in the morning. And it's all about just adjusting and going with the flow. I hope this video helped you guys out a little bit. If it did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more content. But yeah, so until next time, thank you guys. That was so candy. So until next time, bye.